Namaste. Hello everyone. Today on behalf of Bharat Bikash Parishad, we are celebrating this National Youth Day. As we all know, today is the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand, who is also known as the youth icon of our country. And from all over the world, we also celebrate him. So today we are observing this day with our team members from Bharat Bikash Parishad. We are celebrating it, and so all the members are here to share their views and opinions. Please, one by one, tell something about Swami Vivekananda.
Today, on this auspicious day, I would like to say the vision of Bharat Vikas Parishad. Vision is to develop and growth of Bharat in all the field of human, individual, culture, social, academic, moral, national, and spiritual, culminating in Swast Samart Sanskrit Bharat, that is physically, economically, and morally strong India.
Namaste. Today on the birth celebration of our great Swami Vivekananda, I would like to express the mission of Bharat Vikas Parishad, that is to organize the elite intellectuals and the well-to-do citizens and to motivate themselves to serve our poor, disabled, illiterate and ignorant brethren, not as an act of charity but
Hello, Namaste. So, as all my friends and co-workers say that today on the auspicious 158th birth anniversary of Swamiji, so we had a very friendly gathering. So, in that friendly gathering, we tried to observe Swamiji's birthday, and my friends they talked about Bharat Vikas Parishad's philosophy and everything. So I'll talk something about Swamiji's philosophy, how his philosophies are timeless, like it is 158th birthday, and whatever his sayings and his philosophies, we can apply those philosophies in our life, in next generation life, and maybe 500 years ahead, those philosophy will strengthen our life and build our life. Okay, so this is how powerful Swamiji's philosophy was, because he was a visionary, and like every visionary, his philosophy was timeless. So I read a lot about Swamiji and his teachings. So I remember some of his words that many of you also know. Like one of the sayings he said, like if you have no problem in your life, then you must be sure that you are walking in the wrong way. So whenever you are right way, right course of life, so you will encounter many problems. So problems will tell you that problems will shape your life, and it will tell you that you are walking in the right direction. So if there is no problem in your life, that means you are walking in the wrong direction. So that is one of the very powerful words said by Swamiji, and there are many others. So I'll not elaborate it too much. It is a great day. He is a great philosopher, and we should learn every day from his teachings. So with this, I just want to conclude this small gathering that we had today. It was a very nice day. It was a very nice celebration. So Jai Hind.
Very well said, Madhu. As she said, life is all about hardship and pain. Once Vivekanand ji said that take risks in life. If you win, you can lead. You may lead. If you lose, then you may guide. So it doesn't matter in life if you lose or win. It's all about how you lead your life. And I want to tell all the youths, try to follow the footstep of Swami Vivekanand, how he lead his life, how he inspired the youths in his time. So we all are trying to follow his footsteps, and we're so happy that on this day, a small get together, and we're trying to celebrate this day in a fruitful way. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.